Hello, welcome to this demo of Connect and Conquer. With Connect and Conquer, you can easily connect to different systems. In this demo, I will show you how to connect to Dynamics CRM 2011 and the Kentico content management system. So, let's have a look. In this demo, I want to show you how a filled-in contact form on your website will result into a lead record in your Dynamics CRM system. So let's log on to the Kentico CMS desk. And here you see the BIS form with a couple of fields. We ask on the website for a first name, a last name, email, subject, and a message. So what do we want to do here is have these filled in fields resulting in a lead record in your Dynamics CRM. So here we see a couple of mandatory fields: topic, last name, company. Okay, so now I want to show you how you can connect these two things. We go back to the CMS desk, go to synchronizations, and we see we have the possibility to create synchronizations, but we must create connectors first. So let's create a connector to the CRM 2011 system. Ask for a URL. Domain name, username, and the specific organization. Let's test it. Takes a while and it says OK. So we have created the connector to the CRM system. So what we now have to do is create a connector to the Kentico system. And we call it Kentico standard. Okay, so now that we have defined these two connectors, let's go to synchronization and create a synchronization. Let's call the synchronization web context to CRM leads. We enable it. We'll say, well, let's run it every minute. And now we go to the place where all the magic is happening. We will define that we are going from the Kentico part. And if you may remember, the BIS form is called Contact eShop. Here you see all possible entities, or I must say available entities in the Kentico system. And here we see the Contact eShop BIS form. Okay, we will connect that to the CRM 2011 system. And here you see all entities in the CRM system. These are system entities as well as custom entities. So let's go to the lead entity. Okay, we have defined the basic step, and now we can go to attribute mapping. So let's add an attribute mapping. Above you see all attributes in the BIS form. Below you see all attributes in the lead entity. Okay, let's say, well, the email field in the BIS form will go to the email address 1 in the lead entity. Let's create another one. the subject, we'll go to the subject in the lead entity, another one, message. Well, by heart I will say that must become description. We have a first name. Well, I guess we will have a first name here as well. And we have a last name. And we have it there as well. And if you can remember, the company field in the lead form is mandatory, but we do not have a company field in the BIS form. So what I will define right now is, let's go to the company name, and I will say, well, okay, let's just make it a fixed value. It's just not there. Okay. So here you see what we have done. All attributes are mapped. Okay, well, let's check things out. We go to the live website, and you see a lot of products right here. For example, mobile phones. Okay, and I will ask, I'm interested in, okay, is the iPhone 5 already available? So I fill in my first name, type in my iPhone 5. Is it already available? Send the message. Okay, so let's see if something has happened. We will refresh the lead overview, and here it is, a new lead record. Let's open it and see if all fields are filled in as expected. Yes, I guess so. So thanks for your time, and more screencasts will follow in the future.